Confidently preparing a dish that is quick and delicious in your own kitchen sounds great, right? Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a perfect dish for you with spiced chicken and veggie couscous bowl. So let's get cooking. Let's start with the couscous. And now the chicken. Let's build the dish. Couscous is a traditional North African cuisine prepared from small steamed granules of semolina wheat. Couscous originated in the Maghreb region during the 3rd century. Modern-day Maghreb is Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, and Mauritania. Couscous serves as a base for great items such as stews, salads, bowls, and is also a quick rice or quinoa substitute. That looks really great. Let's get a portion into a bowl. A generous portion of the couscous. And now the spiced chicken with veggies. And add a squeeze of lemon for brightness. And round out the dish with a sprinkle of chopped parsley. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the combination of tender, juicy spiced chicken with colorful vegetables and fluffy couscous creates a balanced and satisfying meal packed with umami and bold Mediterranean-inspired flavors. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment and or question. And of course, the complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a great meal you can be proud of. Stay with us, watch the next videos.